Let's be honest with me. What do you mean by networking? Connecting three people to other three people? That what we see in movies. So hi, welcome back to Talk Data with Jen. In this video, I will be telling you the practical ways how you can network from industry experienced people so that they can help you in your professional journey. So let's begin. Number one, how and what you have to not to do in networking. Just listen to that word, that not to do in networking. Number one, do not send random messages to their DMs. Do not connect with 50 people entire in the LinkedIn. Do not just randomly spam their DMs with your resumes, with your portfolio, with your work. Number second, instead of these, what you have to do, you have to build a genuine connection, a trust, and a zeal to learn from them rather than seeking or begging in front of them that we want a job in first go. Now, next comes when you have to start your networking process. Number one, when your resume, your LinkedIn is ready, and if you see any job opening beforehand, you have everything ready. Okay, if the person will ask you anything, so you have a second to just send them. Now comes with whom you have to network. First of all, do not just randomly network with higher management people of the company or directly CEO of the company. Try to connect with the team members of that specific company where you want to apply or where you want to have a job in future. So this will help you, or connect with the people those who have at least more experience than you, or those or with whom you feel somewhat relatable. Moving forward, now comes how to send a connection request. First of all, you have to be show your genuine interest and a connection towards them professionally rather than just seeking a job offer from them or a job opportunity from them. So always try to be uh, have a mindset that okay, this person or with their experience I relate. Next comes what to say after they accept your invitation or request. First of all, thank them, like from their busy schedule, they have accept your request. In that, you can show or you can tell them like what you are studying, what are your future perspective, and what motivates you to connect with them. That's a very good approach to just tell the other person feels important. दे विल एक्सेप्ट योर रिक्वेस्ट बिकॉज कभी ना कभी वो भी आपकी तरह ही किसी ना किसी को रिक्वेस्ट भेज रहे होंगे बिकॉज जिस जर्नी से आप जा रहे हो उस जर्नी से वो पहले से ही जा चुके होंगे. सो बस यू हैव टू बी वेरी जेन्युइन, शो योर इंटरेस्ट in that person, okay, or to their journey, and try to build a professional connection with them. Trust me, if you do these things, they will remember you and you have the opportunity to come into their eyes so that they can refer you on how you build a connection with them, because I am the person in front of you sitting or making this video, and most of the things came to me by networking. So try to network in a very good and approachable manner, and remember, always try to network in a professional manner. So now what you can do as a fresher, try to connect 2-3 people from the industry, not more than that, and always be consistent and try to engage with them, their post or whatever you like in their professional journey, so that it will help you. So this is not a motivational video which I want to tell or which I want to show or tell you about it. It's a practical guide for you to how to network with people. So comment below that I will network with people with the right approach, not randomly sending people messages. So if you found this video helpful, please share those who are the job seekers so that they can network with people. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and subscribe to Talk Data with Jen. And thank you so much.